to Reno Radio. I'm your host, Naomi Findlay, and I'm Australia's real renovation expert. This podcast will give you real advice for renovating, selling your property, or styling your home so you can create beautiful, healthy, and wealthy spaces too. Renovating does not have to be hard. In fact, it can be one of the most rewarding things you ever do. So join me and my impressive list of guests each week for plenty of feel-good inspiration and real renovation advice. This is Reno Radio. Dressing your walls with art can be a phenomenal way to finish the look and feel of each of your spaces. So I'm going to share with you right now my top tips on choosing the best art for your property. Consider the scale of the piece of art you use. So if you have a huge space and a huge wall, avoid putting a tiny piece of art in the middle. Trust your instincts. That's right. When you're choosing art for your property, it's about what you connect with, about what you love. So if your first thought when you see a piece of art is, oh my gosh, it's for me, then chances are it's the right one. The internet is an amazing place when it comes to the world of art. We're no longer stuck to just viewing in local galleries. So get online and check out some of the phenomenal artists at your doorstep around the world. Black and white or monochrome art is timeless and classic. So look into it, find the beauty and use it in your homes. You'll be absolutely blown away at the different styles that black and white or monochrome art can be used with. Be bold and be brave, I tell you, when it comes to your art. So consider mixing up your traditional and slightly modern pieces. If you have a traditional home, consider popping in a slightly more modern piece and vice versa. It can completely transform the look and feel of your room. We spend so much time on social media and now it has a purpose. That's right. Go art shopping on Instagram, I tell you. The amount of artists that are all around the globe, boutique and quite large, that have their phenomenal works displayed on forums like Instagram and Pinterest. So get to it. Put some of that voyeuristic time into shopping time and find an artist that might be just around the corner or across the other side of the world that has a perfect piece for your property. Art is not just painting. I want you to open your mind and look around at the phenomenal mediums, so the different graphics, photography, hand drawings, not just traditional paintings that you can be using in your space. Last but definitely not least, just start. That's right. With the way that art is around our world now, there are some amazingly affordable pieces available to you. Art no longer needs to be a lifetime investment all the time. So get to it. Start your collection. Make a purchase. You could even look to rent a piece before you make the decision. Hey renovators, if you're ready to take the next step in your renovation journey, then come learn how to renovate with me in my online renovation masterclass. It's completely free for all of you listeners. So if you want to discover how to renovate properties for profit, head over to naomifindlay.com/renovation masterclass, where I'll show you how the 7 steps to my winning rapid renovation formula create a 6-figure income for me and many of my students. So save your spot today. Remember, it's naomifindlay.com/renovation masterclass. See you soon.